Here's the 52 John Deere G. This will be the first part of the video. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get video of taking the head off and the hood and everything starting into this tractor. I'll put some photos eventually of it, what it looked like before. You can get the general idea, though. It looks like an old John Deere. This is was my father's tractor. He bought this in 1980 for $400. Unfortunately, about 10 years ago, it was sold by my grandfather without my father knowing. But fortunately, 2 years ago, we were finally able to get the tractor back. At that time, we put it in the shed and didn't do anything with it. When I acquired this shop a few months ago, I went out to the farm and investigated it, took the spark plugs out and realized it was full of water. I don't think the gentleman before put a bucket over it due to this valve being stuck open. I think that's where the water got into. Head gasket and everything looks just fine, and that seems to be the only point of entry for the water. I probably got a couple gallons of water out of it when we took everything apart, but this thing was full of rust. I've done a lot of cleaning, nylon brush and spraying it with diesel. To the point now I got to get a brake freed up. I got to take the flywheel off. We have a little gizmo we bolt on there and we can rock it back and forth to break the pistons free. Then pull the block and take it to find a good local machine shop here that still works on this stuff and get the block and the head redone. I want to fully restore this tractor, but I think at that point I will put it back together and run it this way for a while until I acquire the funds to put new rubber on it and take it back apart and paint everything and do a good job on it. I plan on doing a complete series on this tractor from tear down to putting it back together. Not a lot I can tell you on the tractor at this moment. Here's the connecting rods. All that looks great down there. It still has the yellow paint. So basically, I'll be taking the flywheel off here. I got to take that drum off, investigate the brakes. Doesn't seem to be working. Get this all freed up and pull the block, and my plans are to put it in the corner for now. Where I'm standing at this moment, I plan on having an H John Deere sitting, and next to the 8N Ford over there, I plan on having an A John Deere sitting. And they all need about the same things, new rings and engine overhauls on them. So I'll have about 3 of them in here, but I'll keep them separated and keep this a G series video. Here's the hood for it. I do need to get a new hood. The other side is roached out. It's caught on fire a couple times for use. Grandpa set it on fire one time, filling it up with gas when it was running. Not the smartest thing to do, but it just burnt the paint off of it. I do have the skirting. I still have the shutters there. All that's outside. I just kind of blasted it off with the hose a little bit ago, and we had some rain just come through, so I figured let nature wash it off and not me. I got some more scrubbing to do on it, but basically to the point of getting it broke free and getting that block out of there. Like I said, I'll have to push it in the corner, acquire some funds to pay the machine shop bill, but I hope to get it going here soon, and I hope you guys want to follow along. And if you have any questions, just ask. I can cover anything you see, and thanks for watching.